Hello, and welcome to the Financial Room. My name is Natasha Bridgmohan, President and CEO of the Bridge Group of Companies and mortgage broker with Mortgage Intelligence. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Hope everyone's having an awesome summer right now. I know I am. Fortunately, the weather has been on and off, but I hope everyone else is doing and finding great summer activities with their family. Now, today we want to talk about young Canadians. Now, young Canadians in terms of the importance of them building their credit. Now, if you have children right now in your home, you'll probably want to call them and ask them to have a seat right beside you so we can have this really important conversation face to face. What is the importance of building credit? Why is it very important? Well, credit affects a lot of things. It affects you as a young person in getting a loan, the cost of your credit card, the cost of your car loan, the cost of getting a mortgage as first-time home buyers. The earlier you build your credit, the easier it will be for you as a young person to negotiate your rights as a consumer when applying for credit. So that's very, very important. Now, how do you build your credit? Very simple. You start by applying for student credit cards. Now, student credit cards, you should try to obtain a minimum balance of $1,500 and obtain at least 2 trade lines on your credit bureau. Now, your credit bureau is monitored by Canadians' 2 best credit companies, which is called Equifax and TransUnion. Now, they monitor and report your score in terms of your payment history and the use of your credit facility. Now, you also need a revolving trade line. Remember I mentioned you need 2 trade lines? Now, what's a revolving trade line? A revolving trade line is something that you borrow today and then you pay back and then you still have access to it. Now, a revolving trade line is a credit card and also a line of credit. You also need an installment loan. Now, an installment loan is something like a car loan or an RSP loan or a student loan. These are very good things that can help build your score. Now, we talked about how to build your score and the minimum trade lines that you need and the minimum balance. Now, also, how do you maintain that score? Well, you maintain that score, my young viewers, by paying your bills on time. It is very, very important for you to pay your bills on time. As you grow older and you become a young adult and then into your mid-30s and 40s, you will realize that your credit score validates a lot of qualifications for you. As simple as home insurance policies can also be based on a portion of your credit score. So it's very, very important to you as a young person to understand the importance of maintaining a really good credit score. So we talked about building your credit score by getting secured credit cards or unsecured credit cards such as student loans or revolving loans, which are credit cards or lines of credit, and of course installment loans like a car loan and so forth. Now, these are very, very important things. Another healthy loan is an RSP loan. So if you're starting off and you're a young person and you're working and you have cash flow, I will strongly suggest that you look at building a loan in terms of building your RSP portfolio for your retirement. Again, I cannot stress to my viewers how important it is in this country to maintain a really healthy credit score. And if you have something called absence of credit and you're in your 20s, now absence of credit is no credit at all. No credit cards, no car loans, nothing of that sort. Now, that's considered sometimes a reject on your score. Now, you may think, well, I don't have any credit, so how can I have bad credit? Absence of credit is also considered in the same hemisphere in terms of communication with creditors as bad credit. So it's very, very important that you sit with your parents and talk about the opportunity of building your credit. Now, we do have a credit division at the Bridge Group of Companies, and I really encourage you to reach out to us, and we'll be more than happy to sit with your young viewers or your children and to talk to you and show you about all the resources and tools that are available to kickstart your credit profile with you as a credit facilitator or consumer in the consumer world. Now, again, I wish all the young viewers the best. I cannot stress to you how important it is to start building your credit and start thinking about your future. We here at the Bridge Group are here for you. As usual, you can always visit us at all of our missed shows on YouTube, also on our website, www.thebridgegroup.ca, or contact us at 1-866-553-7467. Hope to talk to you soon. See you next Saturday. Until then, have an awesome Saturday. Take care.